Can your team deliver a working AI prototype in just 3 days? One challenge: a real working AI solution. A leading telecom provider serving 25 million customers needed to modernize through AI, but lacked a clear strategy and real hands-on experience to make it happen. Limited exposure, no clear framework. Fastlane launched an AI Business Hackathon, a challenge-driven approach that builds real capability fast. Participants faced escalating complexity, solved modular real-world challenges, and learned through peer and self-directed mastery. Expert coaching was there, but only when needed. Cross-functional teams came together and unlocked outcomes side by side. In just 3 days, the team built a secure RAG solution powered by Azure OpenAI. Using enterprise data, they delivered accurate answers instantly, reducing wait times and cutting operational costs. Enterprise Secure AI, real answers in real time. And the impact? Accelerated, measurable business outcomes. Fraud detected early, reduced customer churn, actionable AI, scalable innovation. From hackathon to transformation, this is how enterprises operationalize AI. Fastlane turns AI ambition into measurable impact by empowering teams to learn, build, and prove real solutions. Transform your AI vision into real outcomes.
Learn it, build it, prove it.